Hello students, in this video we will be discussing class 10 NCERT Maths textbook chapter 8 Introduction to Trigonometry. In that we are discussing exercise 8.4, and in question number 4 we have already discussed two numericals, the first two problems in the previous videos. So we got the answer for the first one. For the first one, we got the answer as option B, that is 9. And for the second one, we got the option as C, and the answer was 2. So now we'll get into the third and the fourth question in this video. So first we'll do the third question. So what does the third question say? So in the third question, we are given secant A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A. So you will have to find out the answer for this and check for that answer in the given options. So can we start with the solution? So what we can do, here we have sin A, here we have secant and tan. So we can write these two in terms of sine and cos. So how we'll write it? We'll write secant as 1 by cos A and tan A as sin A by cos A into 1 minus sin A. So now here we see that the denominators are the same, so we can take it common. So we will get 1 plus sin A. So all these are in product only, so they are in multiplication, so we can write this also together. 1 minus sin A divided by cos A. So now what do we have here? So we have this of the form A plus B into A minus B, isn't it? So we all know what is A plus B into A minus B. It is nothing but A square minus B square. So if you are going to compare this with this, we are able to see that A is equal to 1, B is equal to sin A. So what will be my A square minus B square? It will be nothing but 1 square minus sin square A. So it will be 1 minus sin square A. So we will substitute that here. So we will get it as 1 minus sin square A divided by cos A. What is 1 minus sin square A? We already know the trigonometric identities. I told you need to remember the trigonometric identities. So what is the first identity which we learned? That is sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. So if I am going to take the sin square A to the other side, I will get 1 minus sin square A, which will be equal to cos square A. So this is what we are going to use here. Okay, so substituting that, we will get cos square A divided by cos A. So cos square A is nothing but cos A the whole square. Cos square A means cos A the whole square only divided by cos A. So what will that be? Cos A and 1 cos A will get cancelled. So you will get the answer to be cos A. Okay. So this will be the answer for the question. Now we'll get into the options. So do we have anything called cos A here? Yes. We have the D option as cos A. So this will be the correct answer. So now can we get into the fourth question? Yes. So what is the fourth question all about? 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A. So we'll write it down. The fourth question is 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus cot square A. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to convert cot square A in terms of tan square A. Because tan square A we have, so we're not going to completely change it into sine, cos and all. We'll first convert it that way and see what answer we're getting. And one more thing is, look into the options. None of the options are there in terms of cos and sin and all. We have secant, cot and tan only. So it is enough if you are going to convert this cot square A in terms of tan square A. We know already that my cot and tan are related in such a way that we know tan A is equal to 1 by cot A, or I can say cot A is equal to 1 by tan A. What will be cot square A? Cot square A will be 1 by tan square A. So can we substitute that now? Yes. So what will I get here? I will get 1 plus tan square A divided by 1 plus 1 by tan square A. Now taking the reciprocal, what will I get? I have, so what will I get for 1 plus 1 by tan square A? Let me do it in the rough column here. 1 plus, I am just taking the denominator alone. 1 plus 1 by tan square A will be equal to tan square A plus 1 by tan square A. I can also write it as 1 plus tan square A divided by tan square A. So now substituting that here, I have 1 plus tan square A already in the numerator. Now for this I am going to substitute this value. So what will I get there? 1 plus tan square A divided by tan square A. So look into this. I have got some relation here. Okay. So look into this. So here I can consider it to be A divided by A by B. Can you see? Yes. So in that case, we have this here down in the denominator. So how can we write it? Write it as, we can, when bringing it to the numerator, this will become A into B by A. Am I right? Yes. So likewise, we are going to change for this also. So what will I get now? I'll get it as 1 plus tan square A into tan square A divided by 1 plus tan square A. So now 1 plus tan square A and 1 plus tan square A will get cancelled, finally giving me the answer tan square A. Okay. So now this will be my answer, that is tan square A. Now let's go into the question and check if we have that option. Yes, we have the option here. So my option is D, tan square A. So 1 plus tan square A by 1 plus cot square A is equal to tan square A. So this can also be asked in the normal questions where they may ask you to prove that this is equal to tan square A or something like that. So in that case, you should be able to check which parameter to change or which trigonometric ratio to change and then do it accordingly. First, we'll just give a quick recap. So for this, we are converting all these in terms of cos and sin, and then we were able to apply the other formula wherein we applied this a square minus b square, and then after that we took the trigonometric identity and we could apply 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A. Okay, from that we got the answer to be cos A. For the next one, it was very simple. So we just converted cot square A into 1 by tan square A, and then we could do a very simple calculation, thereby giving the answer tan square A. Okay, so that's all children. We have done with the fourth question in this video. So in the next video, we'll get into the next question, and then we'll do the other problems also from 8.4 exercise. See you again in another video. Thank you children.